Becoming a data scientist typically requires a combination of education and experience. Here are some steps you can take to become a data scientist. 1. Get a strong foundation in math and statistics. Data science is a field that heavily relies on math and statistics. It's important to have a solid understanding of these subjects. 2. Study computer science and programming. Data scientists use programming languages such as Python, R, and SQL to clean, manipulate, and analyze data. 3. Get a degree in a related field. A degree in computer science, statistics, or a related field is often required for data scientist positions. 4. Gain experience. Data science is a field that requires practical experience. Gain experience by working on personal projects or internships. 5. Learn machine learning. Machine learning is a key component of data science, so it's important to have a good understanding of how it works and how to use it. 6. Build a portfolio. Having a portfolio that showcases your skills and experience is important when applying for data scientist positions. 7. Network. Attend meetups and conferences, connect with other data scientists, and stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. 8. Consider additional certifications. Consider getting certified in data science or machine learning. It can help to demonstrate your expertise and make you more competitive in the job market. Keep in mind that becoming a data scientist is a continuous learning journey, as the field is evolving rapidly and technologies are changing.